Walk into the living room.
Sir. Dad, put this chair back over there. I don't like you ain't have this here. Ah, don't be fucking recording me and shit. Nah. You better delete that.
You're deleting that, dude. I'll do it. I'll fucking throw water on you, dude. Stop, dude.
What are you making?
Fuck does it look like, retard?
I don't know, tell me.
Spit the world up,
I mean, don't even record me because I look terrible right now. Seriously. I don't want to be on no damn camera. I'm not being on no camera. Like that. My hair all messed up with makeup and
Hi, Lenny.
Hey, did you know?
What?
In Alabama?
Mhm. Lenny. What are you doing? Alright.